Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ngizwe Mlando Mchunu wasenkandla eMaphoqweni. I am the president of the Bhinqa Nation by being appointed by His Majesty the King Misuzulu KwaZulu. I am the president of the Bhinqa Nation and I am the ordinary citizen of South Africa. I have a right of all rules and regulations that govern this country under the Constitution of South African democracy. So it's important that when we get on that stage, we exercise those rights. Gitigini, bantu bakababa, bantu bami, mabhinqa, nabo zonke ingane esizalayo nabafowethu sibalamayo abasebancane nabakhulayo. Iqiniso kumele mabalazi ukuthi umhlaba awuyona into yokudlala. Umhlaba safica abantu abenzi isimangaliso phezulu komhlaba, sifica sebesichazela okunye, kodwa when you zoom in you can see ukuthi khona iphutha elenzeka. Mhlazana bese conga ingonyama emajuda, bese conga ingonyama bese conga ubaba wethu uSteve Biko, bese conga ubaba uKhrisani. Yingakho izinto eziningi zingazuzeki phezulu kwalelizwe as a result of ukuthi people take everything to heart and kill the vision. But amazwi ashiwo ubaba uKhrisani ubaba uSteve Biko yokuthi you can kill me, but the idea that I live for will live forever. Same thing applies to me. I'm a Zulu by born. I'm fearless. If it happens that I have to challenge my peers that amongst us in the Zulu kingdom, in the Zulu nation, let it be, because the truth of the matter is that our ancestors are watching us. Umuntu nophinda ngene ngeke ayivume leyo nto. Ufakazi buvelile ukuthi into engiyikhuluma ekseni izolo ngihlaseliwe mina, ngifonelwa ucingo umkami engihlasela esho ukuthi kufike imoto